Sumpay lang mo karon dugay na 2008 karon pa nabalik mountaineering camp. The venue is in Mount Malindag, the highest mountain in northern Mindanao. So be there, young people. This is open to all Christians and non-Christians. So we are teaching both Christians and non-Christians. Also our team, the Life Saving Global Incorporated, will teach also about rescue, disaster management, and then missions, warfare, and then evangelism in the night. At the same time, evangelize at 3 barangays sa Mount Malindag. So be there, May 20 to 22. And then there's also a mountain climbing up there in North Peak for prayer. The highest mountain, 3,900 feet above sea level. And then going to Lake Sibokal and Lake Dimdagat. Visit our website, www.lampglobal.org. Again, www.lampglobal.org. Online ang atong registration of QR code. And then our IMS, International Mission School, natapos ng MISOC, but other second round in Tangub City, we are sending missionaries to Iraq. We have 4 missionaries now going to Iraq, 2 in Egypt, and 1 in Vietnam, 3 in Indonesia. So we encourage all the professionals, yung may natapos, hindi pwede itong may grado, professionals, to get involved with the International Mission School. And also we are praying for 2 countries right now. 10 years ago, the Lord impressed me when I was in Pajo City in the DNZ in the Han River for North Korea. And we are committed to deploy people to going to North Korea, Filipinos. So pray for us. So our launching pad, it should be Seoul, Korea, to North Korea, and then Iran. So that's the reason why we will not go to US this time, because we will be sending missionaries to North Korea and Iran. So please pray for Filipinos going to North Korea and going to Iran. To God be all the glory. Maraming salamat po. God bless us all.